Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Roborock Q5 that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network only, as the Roborock Q5 doesn't support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So after doing this, you just have to simply reset your robot's Wi-Fi by pressing and holding the two buttons. So these two buttons are the sport clean button plus the dock buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi voice prompt. Once the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking, the robot is ready to pair again. So once that happens, you just have to simply launch your Roborock application. Then you just have to press this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, among the given robots, you just have to select your Roborock Q5 and follow the setup instructions. During pairing, just keep your phone close to the robot and allow the app location, the Bluetooth and the nearby devices permissions if prompted. Now, if the setup fails around at 80 to 99%, temporarily disable the VPN or any private DNS or mobile data switching features on your phone. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi password contains only the standard characters, as some of the special symbols may cause pairing to fail. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.